What's going on, everyone? Chuck with VMP Performance, and thanks for tuning into the StangMode YouTube channel. As you can see behind me, I've got StangMode's car. It's been on here at the VMP Ranch for a little while, and it's got quite a few upgrades since he dropped it off. So let's go take a look at the car. We're going to show you a little bit about what we've done to it, and then take it for a little spin. Alright, so first things first, we've got our brand new VMP Performance Odin Supercharger, 2650 co-developed with our friends over at Magnuson. We have our brand new VMP Twin Jet 69mm with our custom cold air intake. This has the brand new VMP Performance return style fuel system for 18+, as well as a VMP custom tune. And then we figured with all that power we needed to put it down to the ground, so it has a built 10R80 from our friend Brett LaSala here in Florida. So I'm pretty stoked to get this car back in his hands so you can see what it does down the track.
What is up, fam? Well, this message finds you all well, good spirits. Well. Did you see the Black Mamba on the beginning clip? Oh my gosh, she's at VMP, she's completed, she has a brand new Odin kit. Link in the description for all that good stuff for more information. But she spit some flames. Oh, I'm so excited, but it's so bittersweet. Because we are stuck here in New Jersey. We are locked down. We are quarantined, and for good reason. We want to, you know, do what the authorities tell us to do, but that's not what this channel's about. I actually got like jitters. He sent me these clips, dude. That E85 cold start. It has a fuel system. It's ready to go. That car, and all jokes aside, we'll talk about it. We're gonna take a drive. Not in this car. We're gonna go on College Mamba soon. All jokes aside, the Black Mamba will walk the Hulk. And that's because the Hulk is stock. This car is made for everything. This Hulk, which I love, and I'm actually hoping no one does pick it up. This is the ultimate best Mustang ever made. If you can critique it, but I guarantee you haven't driven it if you say that, if you don't agree with me. This is the best Mustang ever made from Ford. Not Shelby American. This is from Ford. This is the best Mustang ever. But I digress. Let's move on for that. Let's get a cold start of Hulk. Then we'll meet you in the Black Mamba, the brown College Mamba. It'll be one of the last. yes, we are in the College Mamba taking a little drive. We're not gonna meet anybody, we're just driving in the car. Let's talk about the fact that yes, the Black Mamba is finished. And yes, did you see? We got some flames coming out on her. Woo! That got me excited. The car is ready to go. The car is done. The car is finished. What we need right now is the world to get back to some normalcy. The drag strips are closed. So all I can do is kind of bring you love from a distance, and I really appreciate VMP and Chuck and all of them sending me stuff like clips that I need to share with you guys, because like I said, we were supposed to have that car a long time ago, and luckily we are able to show you clips like a little dyno pull, and we can show you stuff like a startup and a cold start and a walk around, and as you saw, excuse me, everything that's done to the car as far as the fuel system, the blower. We're gonna save the dyno and the horsepower stuff for when I go down to Florida. I don't know when that's gonna be yet, because as you guys all know, everything's up in the air. The whole world's up in the air right now. We have no idea what's going on. Everything is extended. Everything is postponed. People are being laid off. There's horrible situations. So I empathize with anybody. I'm part of the ones experiencing that. And yes, you know, to touch base, we have to reevaluate and look at every decision. The Hulk is on eBay for a certain amount. That's $100,000. And that's where I can feel comfortable at night to part ways with it. If not, we're going to keep it and go crazy with content with it. And that's the mentality we have to have. You know, we can't sit in our hands and knees and just cry about it. We gotta get back and figure out alternate ways to keep making the best of the worst situation that you could think of. So that's where we're at, and we're gonna figure it out and stay posted to the channel. We will try to get the car in a way that's safe and you know, doesn't hurt anybody, and it's still protecting everybody's interests. So we have to figure that all out. I think end of the month we'll probably go down to Florida and get the car. I think that's when they start lifting the restrictions again, unless they change it again. We don't know. Stay tuned. But again, I appreciate VMP sending me clips to send you guys. But let's talk about the title. I know a lot of you could be triggered, but yes, you know, just candidly speaking, the Black Mamba is going to, you know, victimize a 2020 Shelby GT500 at the drag strip, especially. As of right now, and I say that with a lot of love, the GT500 is the best Mustang ever made by Ford, by far, bar none. And if you disagree with me, you haven't driven the car, or you don't own one, or you're just going off of your eyeball. You just haven't driven it, and I'm just being honest with you. That car does everything flawlessly. Turning, stopping, driving, accelerating. It's just a phenomenal all-around, exquisite car. And I love it. So that's why I'm so adamant about the price tag for it. But that being said, the Black Mamba is a 2018 Mustang GT. It is modified. It's significantly cheaper than the 2020 Shelby GT500, but it's significantly faster as it stands right now because of the way it's modified. Remember, the GT500 is still being learned. It just came out just a few months ago. So people are still learning how to tune them, modify them, and they're making crazy power, especially on the dyno. But we had to see what they do with the trans tuning being unlocked, and then you start to see the real potential of that car. But as of right now, the Hulk, as far as my personal stable is concerned, would succumb to the Black Mamba in a drag race. So roll races remains to be seen. But that car is going to be pretty crazy, and you know, we're just starting off with the Hulk. I mean, with the Mamba. When we get it back, we can still do things like a porta blower, built motor. We can keep moving the envelope forward, and it could go even crazier. So yeah, I guess that's the point too in today's little quick vlog here is, you know, is it more fun, or is it better to you get like a 2018 Mustang GT or 2015 or whatever, and you build that up? Is built versus bought? You know, I guess that where we're at. You know, you can put your opinion down below. So, but yeah, you know, we're in a good situation right now as far as the cars are concerned. If I won't drive the Shelby GT500, I will let that sit until the auction ends. Auction link is in the description, and you can check it out and watch it if you want. What we'll do with that is we will watch it together. Next week we'll do something fun. We will post a video and watch how the auction ends. Now, if somebody does happen to win the auction for the 2020 Shelby GT500, the Hulk, what's going to easily happen is I will contact you. We'll figure out a way to get together, and we'll do you can pick up the car. We'll do a last drive together, and we'll close that chapter. And hopefully, when things pick up again, and I'm able to get employment again, we can look at another 500. I have been contacted by a few shops who are interested in the car, but we'll see. You know, my asking price is for a reason, and I feel comfortable and confident in that. And I'm not leaving that asking price because of the fact that car meant a lot to me. I got a chance to see it being built. I ordered it specifically. It's my car, but the virus apocalypse happened, and here we are. So, you know, family comes first. So that's where we're at right now, and I feel comfortable in that. Also, you know, this is just real life. You know, we have to be smart about decisions, and we're not going to keep something just to keep something. But that's, you know, that's where it's at. You know, everything is living. Everything's in a gray area. We'll see what happens. I never knew that we were going to get this college MAMBA back. I thought I lost that car, and I cried when I sold it. And lo and behold, on Facebook, we find it searching for Mustang parts, and she's back. And now we're driving in the car that I had in college that I met with my wife, was my girlfriend. There's so many things you don't know what's going to happen. So there's no point in sulking. We try to make the best decisions we can and have fun sharing our journey, and that's what it's about. So I hope this helps you guys get a little bit distracted. Comment below 2018 Mustang GT or 2020 GT500, which was more fun to have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Quick update: we have some more content coming. I'm so excited. Appreciate the support, because you guys know it never ends. Peace.